In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SignWell with your QuickBooks Online Advanced easily and efficiently. This integration can be a game changer for streamlining your document signing processes directly from within QuickBooks, ensuring your accounting and document management go hand in hand. To begin, let's navigate over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, have a look at the left side panel. This is where you'll find the Apps section. Go ahead and click on Apps. Now, this is your gateway to all the third-party applications that are compatible with QuickBooks and can enhance your software's capabilities. On this page, you'll need to click on the Find Apps tab. This tab is designed to help you explore various applications that can seamlessly integrate with your QuickBooks. Now, once you are in the Find Apps section, take a moment to scan through the extensive library of apps that QuickBooks offers. You'll soon realize how many tools are available for different kinds of needs and industries, each designed to boost productivity in some way. Among these, you'll want to search specifically for SignWell. Use the search bar at the top of the page to type in SignWell and quickly locate the app. Once it appears in the search results, click on it to open its dedicated app page. On the SignWell app page, you'll find an overview of the app's capabilities and the benefits it offers when connected with QuickBooks. Take a moment here to review these details so you have a comprehensive understanding of how this app can improve your workflow. You'll read about how SignWell focuses on simplifying document signing, making it a valuable addition for any business looking to streamline its operations straight from its accounting platform. After you've reviewed all the features and are convinced it's the right fit for your business needs, it's time to connect this app to your QuickBooks account. On the top right corner of the SignWell app page, you'll notice the Get App Now button. Clicking this will initiate the connection process. It's a straightforward action that will prompt the authentication process. Once you proceed through authentication, QuickBooks will guide you through any additional steps required for setting up the connection, making it a seamless integration into your existing setup. The system may ask for your SignWell credentials to authorize access. And with that, you're all set. This process ensures that you've successfully linked SignWell to your QuickBooks Online Advanced account. You've now added a powerful tool that will enhance your capability to manage electronic signatures and related documentation. This integration will save you time and synchronize your workflows, letting you focus more on what truly matters, growing your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.